In the last videos, we covered arithmetic operators. Okay, arithmetic operators, how you can perform with the scalars, okay, with the arrays, okay, like we discussed, right? Sir, which arithmetic operators are there? Yes, sir, these are various arithmetic operators what we had. Okay, plus, minus, multiplication, division, floor division, modulo, and then exponential operator, right? Sir, can I use the word all these operators are Python related arithmetic operators or not? Yes, Python related operators only. Okay, like so now here how we can perform arithmetic operators with the scalar. Scalar means a numeric value. Scalar means a numeric value, constant. Scalar means constant numeric value, a constant numeric value. All arithmetic operators are applicable for numpy arrays with the scalar. Scalar means constant, a plus 2. Sir, what will happen if I perform arithmetic operation? If I perform arithmetic operation with a scalar value means now for every array element, this element will be broadcasted. Correct? Right? This element will be shared and it is going to perform arithmetic operation with every element. That's why the result I'm getting like this. Same a into 2, a minus 2, a by 2, a division by 2, a modulo 2, a power 2, all the things I discussed in detail. Right? Similarly, we can perform operations on any other dimension arrays also. Any other dimension arrays also. Maybe 2D array, 3D array like yes, this is my 2D array, right? For the 2D array, a plus 2, a minus 2, a into 2, a by 2, like all these things are possible. Okay, like next, even for 3D array also it is possible, no problem, right? Next, one small important note also I specified. How many people remembered? I'm not sure. In Python, divide by 0 is not possible. But if we are trying to perform divide by 0, then we will get 0 division error. Have you remembered, right? Okay, like but in NumPy, we won't get 0 division error. If the result is undefined, then it is treated as NaN. Then we will get a NaN. NaN means what? Not a number. If the result is infinity, then it is treated as INF. We are not going to get any 0 division error. Yes, observe best example for you. Sir, array is already there with this. Sir, by 0 I'm trying to take. A by 0. A by 0, 0 by 0 undefined. That's why NaN we are getting. Sir, I'm not seeing anywhere 0 division error. So similarly, 1 by 0 infinity, 2 by 0 infinity, 3 by 0 infinity, like yes, sir, this is the thing we are getting. Next, A by sir np dot inf. If I can take np dot inf like infinity, just for someone asked, sir, if I divide anything with infinity, what is the value? Yes, the value is always 0. Remember this one. So if I divide anything with infinity, then the output is always going to get 0 only. Okay, like yeah, don't worry. So this part is the very important, sir. Arithmetic operators for arrays with arrays. Okay, between two arrays, how it is going to be happen? Yes, have you observed? I have one array is there, sir. A. Now A plus A minus A into A by A percentage A. Okay, like all these things are perfectly applicable. Okay, like now I have another array is there. Sir, 100, 200, 300, 400, 10, 20, 30, 40, like I'm trying to take. Yes, now observe that. Yes, what is the dimension of first array? Can you please confirm? What is the dimension of first array? The dimension of first array is one dimension. Wait, one day. What is the dimension of second array? 1 day. What is the shape of first array? 4 is the shape. What is the shape of second one? 4. So the dimensions are same and the shapes are same. Observe carefully, right? Dimensions are same, so shapes are same. Shape means the size of each dimension is by default considered the shape. We know already, right? Now, so here happily we can perform operations, right? Even for 2D arrays also. Even for 2D arrays also, A plus A and so on, right? Next, here to perform arithmetic operators between numpy arrays, compulsory both arrays should have same dimension and the same shape and the same size. Otherwise, we will get error. Yeah, best example. Even I told, yes, sir, this is okay, like value error. Operands could not be broadcasted together with the shapes like we are getting, right? Okay, this is value error we are getting. To handle this requirement, we should go for broadcasting. Have you remember, right? Yes, I told already. So I want to perform arithmetic operators between two arrays of different sizes, of different arrays, different shapes, different dimensions. Is it possible or not? Yes, possible, friends. That concept is possible just because of which concept is broadcasting concept. Okay, broadcasting is a beautiful concept provided by NumPy, provided by NumPy. What is the reason? In the normal Python, sorry, this type of facility is not there. Next, instead of performing arithmetic operator, can I use the functions or not? Yes, add, subtract, multiply, divide, float divide, mod, and power. All these things are applicable. Okay, like so to use these functions also, both arrays should be of same dimension, same size, shape, and same size. Okay, like we have. Now take a bit special care about this one, sir. Broadcasting. Okay, broadcasting. This is NumPy broadcasting. It's a separate concept, right? This is the beauty of NumPy. Okay, like so with the broadcasting. Okay, with the, even though arrays are of different dimensions, of different shapes, of different sizes, but still we can perform operations. Through the concept of broadcasting. Remember that, right? So, but here just observe. Even though, okay, even though arrays are different dimensions, different dimensions, different shapes, and different sizes, still we can perform arithmetic operators. Still we can perform arithmetic operations. Still we can perform arithmetic operations. So it is possible by by which concepts are, can you please tell? Broadcasting. It is possible by broadcasting. Okay, like sir, here in which situation broadcasting NumPy broadcasting will come into the picture. If I'm performing arithmetic operators between two arrays, it is nowhere related to scalar values, right? Scalars. So if you perform any arithmetic operation between two arrays, if they are not of same dimension, if they are not of same size or same shape, then broadcasting is going to be performed. So what broadcasting rules are there? Okay, like so even don't feel in every case broadcasting is going to be performed. No. Okay, only in some cases broadcasting will be performed and arithmetic operation is going to be succeeded. But there are some areas are there. Okay, even broadcasting also can't help. Then we have to get an error only. Okay, are getting? Some people may ask, sir, broadcasting is internal automatic process. Okay, we are not required to do anything. So this is NumPy inbuilt feature in the broadcasting. We are not required to do anything, just perform arithmetic operation, right? So then immediately you ask, sir, if we perform arithmetic operation, so why we are getting error in the last examples somewhere? Have you observed, right? Have you observed? Sir, here a plus b only I'm performing, but immediately value error we are getting. Why we are getting value error, sir? Since, can you please have a look once? Operands could not be broadcast together. Okay, there are some rules are there for the broadcasting. If the rules are satisfied, then only broadcasting is going to be work. If the rules are not satisfied, then broadcasting is not going to be happen. So take a bit special care, sir. I want to perform arithmetic operation between two arrays of any dimension, any size, any shape. Sorry, man. Okay, broadcasting also having some rules. So if those rules are satisfied, in that particular case only broadcasting will be performed. Getting right? Are you feeling comfortable, right? Okay, broadcasting won't be performed every time. It has some rules. If the rules are satisfied, then only broadcasting will be performed. Then only operation is going to be succeeded. Well, so like broadcasting won't be performed, won't be possible in all cases. In all cases, it has some rules. If it has some rules. if the rules are satisfied, if the rules are satisfied, NumPy broadcasting will be performed internally. Broadcasting will be performed, internally. So while performing arithmetic operations, like so broadcasting is a automated activity. We are not required to perform explicitly. We have to understand when, in which cases broadcasting is going to be happen. Okay, remember a bit very carefully, sir. So broadcasting will be performed automatically, or we have to call. Hey, respond. Broadcasting will be performed automatically. Broadcasting will be performed automatically, and we are not required to perform explicitly. We are not required to perform explicitly. Okay, like so we are not required to perform explicitly, but we should aware, but being developer, we should aware when broadcasting will be performed, when broadcasting will be performed, and how it will be performed, we should have the knowledge. That's all. Any doubt? Are you feeling comfortable? Right, it's automated process which is going to be happen internally, but you have to tell, is it valid or not, is it invalid or not? You should have the idea. So in this case broadcasting is going to be happen or not, in this case broadcasting is not going to be happen. Okay, like so there are some broadcasting rules are there. So even though arrays of different dimensions, okay, different shapes and different sizes, still we can perform arithmetic operations between them. Okay, it is possible by broadcasting. Okay, like so broadcasting will be performed automatically, and we are not required to perform explicitly, but being developer we should aware when broadcasting will be performed and how it will be performed. Like next, broadcasting won't possible in all cases. It has some rules. Remember a bit carefully about this one, sir. Okay, it has some rules. If the rules are satisfied, then only broadcasting will be performed. Then only, okay, broadcasting will be performed internally. Okay, like so while performing arithmetic operations. Clear, right? Any doubt? Theoretically, is it so broadcasting also not going to be happen in all cases? It has some rules are there. So rules of broadcasting, broadcasting, like how, when it is going to be happen. Okay, like yeah, rule number 1, take very special care. I will explain with an examples, with 2 or 3 examples, then you will get much clarity. Okay, like so first thing, sir, if 2 arrays are, if both arrays have same dimension, same size, same shape, then broadcasting is required or not required? Okay, remember that if both arrays have same dimension, same shape, and same size, then broadcasting is not required. Okay, like you should aware, if different dimensions or different shapes, okay, so different dimensions are different shapes, okay, different shapes are different sizes, then only broadcasting is required. Okay, please take a bit very special care. Broadcasting is required. Okay, like so when while performing broadcasting, which rules are there, sir? Rule number 1, sir, you may have so bigger doubts here, but understanding these rules are very important. Please take a bit very special care. Rule 1 I'm trying to take, sir. Okay, we will simplify these rules, so don't worry, sir. So let me explain with an example so that you people may feel more comfortable, right? Okay, before explaining theory, if I can go for example, then you can get much clearly. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, here just take a bit very special care about this one. What is my rule is, I have two arrays are there, sir. Assume that first rule I'm ready to talk. So understanding these rules is a bit dangerous. So please take a bit very special care. Sir, here first rule, okay, is sir, assume that this is my array. Okay, assume that it is my array. How many rows are there? How many rows are there? How many columns are there? Can you please confirm? How many rows are there? Oi, how many rows are there? 4 rows and 3 columns. What is the shape of this array? Can you please confirm what is the dimension of this array first? What is the dimension of this array? 2 dimension, 2 dimension, 2 dimension, 2 dimension. Next, what is the shape, sir? The shape is 4, 3. Any explanation is required about this one? What is the shape? 4, 3. 4 rows and 3 columns is there. Now I have one array is there. Okay, one array is there. Okay, like now this array, okay, contain how many elements are there, sir? 3 elements are there. And can you please confirm what is this array? Usually what is this array? One day array, because only one row is there. One day array. What is the dimension of this one? What is the shape of this one? 3. Okay, like sir, can you please confirm? Are you feeling comfortable about this? Okay, because you should have. So in this particular case, if I perform any arithmetic operation between these two arrays, so please confirm if I perform arithmetic operation between these two arrays, so can you please confirm broadcasting is required or not? Broadcasting is required or not? Yes, internally there may be a chance of broadcasting. So because of that, so this operation may succeed, no problem, right? Maybe a plus b I'm trying to perform, a plus b I'm trying to perform, or a minus b I'm trying to perform, or a into b I'm trying to perform. Okay, like all the remaining operations, right? Broadcasting. So what the first rule is in the broadcasting one? If both arrays, if the two arrays are of different dimensions, if the two arrays are of different dimensions, then adjust two arrays. Okay, so then we have to make, we should make dimensions equal dimensions. Remember that. So we should make equal dimensions. Okay, like yeah. Here just observe that. So all my just narrating terminology, please try to understand it. If the two arrays are of different dimensions, we should make equal dimensions. Then immediately you may ask the next question, how? Okay, like how we have to do that, sir? Sir, very simple, very simple. Add once in the shape of add once or padded once. You can use padded once in the shape of, okay, fewer dimension array on the left side, yeah. Please confirm here. Padded once padded once in the shape of fewer dimension array on the left side. What is the meaning of this one, sir? Okay, here just observe that I have first array shape is what is the first array shape? 4, 3. But second array shape is what is the second array shape? Only 3. I'm taking, sir. Have you observed? Now both arrays are of different dimensions or not? Array, both arrays are different dimensions. So A is 2 dimension. A is a 2D array. 2D array. Where yes, B is 1D array. 1D array. So we have to make broadcasting. Will make these two arrays as 2D arrays. Okay, broadcasting. Okay, broadcasting. So we'll make these two arrays. Yes, these two arrays. These two arrays. Yes, yes. Can you please confirm, sir? Broadcasting make these two arrays as 2D arrays. Okay, favor dimension will be promoted to bigger dimension, right? How it is going to be happen? Now here A is 4,3 and B is this is the array with a fewer dimension. Can you please observe that padded ones in the shape of fewer dimension array on the left side? Then automatically, so what will happen, sir? Left side means here I have to add 1, next and after that 3. Yeah, are you feeling comfortable with this rule? Any doubt? Yeah, observe that. Any doubt about this one? Okay, perfect. There is no problem at all. So now, so this is so in any dimension, even 4 dimension, 1 dimension also, no problem, right? 4 dimension, 1 dimension also, this one is always going to be happen. Rule 1 is always going to be happen, no problem, different dimensions. Okay, like so now what will happen? This 3 will become 1 followed 1 comma. Here this 3 will become 1/3 array or 1 by 3 array. Now what is the dimension of this array, sir? 2 dimension. What is the dimension of this array? 2 dimension. Correct, right? So if the two arrays are of different dimensions, we should make equal dimension. Padded ones to the in the shape of favor dimension array on the left hand side. Now both arrays should be 2 dimensions. Yeah, correct, right? Should be same dimensions. Should be of same dimensions. Okay, like yeah, this is the first rule which is going to be happen internally. Okay, like you should aware, sir. Okay, this is the example. So related to the first rule, any explanation is required? Please confirm. Any explanation is required? Okay, like clear for you people, right? Now can I go for rule 2? Yeah, can I go for rule 2? Rule 2. Okay, like rule 2 is a very simple, very simple, sir. Sir, okay, you added 1. Okay, like now the second thing what will happen is observe carefully. Now what is the first shape? 4 3. What is the second shape? 1 3 1 3. Like so now here see this understanding these rules are very important, sir. So just even aware that, but the problem is so you should understand that's what I have to explain in that style. Observe carefully. Here now consider both the dimensions, both the size of every dimension in the shape from right side. Okay, from right side. Observe that. Consider. So size of each dimension in the shapes from the right hand side. Okay, sir, 3 3 both are same or not? Can you please confirm? Oi, 3 3 both are same or not? Yeah, no problem. Then what is the next one, sir? 4 1 4 1 1 1. Correct, right? So here if size of two arrays does not match in any dimension, doesn't match in any dimension, then the array with the size equal to 1 should be stretched to sir, this size array. What is the meaning of this one here? Sir, here 1 is there. Can you please make that one as a 4? Okay. Can you please stretch this array from 1 size to 4 size? That's what we have to take care. Now, listen carefully. Here need not be right side, need not be left side. Don't worry, sir. Yeah, friends. Can you please confirm? Is it audible, right? Yeah. Maybe there is a network issue. Please take a bit special care for a few minutes. Okay. Now, what is the rule 2 is a very interesting rule. Observe carefully 1 minute. Rule 2 is so if the size of two arrays does not match in any dimension, if the size of two arrays, okay, if the size of two arrays does not match in any dimension, okay, what we have to do is okay, so the array with the size equal to 1, okay, in that dimension is okay, the array here, this is the very important part. If the size of two arrays does not match in any dimension, in any dimension, yes, here just observe carefully, observe a bit carefully about this one. So in this case, so in which dimension sizes are not matched? Have you observed, right? Yes, in the first dimension sizes are not matched. Correct, right? In the first dimension sizes are not matched. If the size of two arrays does not match in any dimension, okay, what will happen is in any dimension, the array with the size equal to 1, the array with the size equal to 1, with the size equal to 1, the array with the size equal to 1, okay, in that dimension, is stretched to. What is the meaning of stretched? Stretched means expanded. Okay, like stretched means expanded. Is expanded to match the other shape, match other dimension, other size, match other size of the same dimension. Yeah, we require to correct this. Don't worry at all. Okay, here just observe that if the size of two arrays does not match in any dimension, okay, the array with the size equal to 1 in that dimension is expanded to match other size of the same dimension. What is the meaning of this one, sir? Sir, here 4313 is there. Okay, here just observe that this is my status. Okay, so after what will happen is, sir, in any dimension sizes are not matched. Can you please tell? in any dimension, sizes are not matched. Yes, in one dimension, size is not matched. One dimension, size is not matched. What will happen, sir? The array with the size equal to 1 in that dimension is expanded to match other size of the same dimension. Now, what will happen is, yes, here A will become 4, 3 and B also will become 4, 3. Have you observed? Can you please confirm? Yes, friends. Now, both the arrays are of same dimension, same shape, same size. Now, happily, we can perform arithmetic operation. Okay, like now both the arrays of both arrays are of same dimension and the same shape, same dimension and the same shape, then arithmetic operation will be performed. Arithmetic operation will be performed normally. That's it. Okay, now here there are two doubts are there. So there are two doubts are there, sir. Okay, like what is the first doubt? So how I can get the elements for the remaining dimensions? Sir, in the B, how I can get in B, okay, remaining elements will be copied from the same. Okay, whatever elements are there in the B, so will be copied, will be reused to maintain this dimension. Okay, like this is the first doubt. Okay, like sir, here how so the elements of sir fewer dimension, the elements of fewer size array, the elements of fewer size array are fewer dimension array, the elements of fewer size are dimension array. Okay, fewer size are dimension array, the elements will be reused, then immediately you ask us, sir, can you explain with an example so that we will get much clarity? Don't worry, I will explain 3 to 4 examples, but just theoretically have some basic idea. It doesn't mean, sir, all the things I got. No. First get all the rules, then slowly I will repeat with example, then all these things will be resolved automatically. Clear, right? So first aware, oh, these are the total rules. Okay, rules are ready. Now how you can use these rules with example, then with these rules you people will get much perfection. Okay, like first thing, sir, now so while applying rule 2, so the array with the size equal to 1 is not there. If rule 2 fails, sir, if the rule 2 fails, because sometimes what will happen is, sir, A is the 4, 3 is there, A is 4, 3 is there, sir. But B is 2, 3 came. Assume that 4, 3 is there, but B is the 2, 3 is there. But B is the 2, 3 is there, sir. If B is the 2, 3 is there, if it is the 1, it will be expanded to 4. But it is the 2. What will happen, sir? Rule 2 fails. Rule 2 fails. Rule 2 fails. Okay, and hence we will get value error. Okay, value error, and broadcasting won't be happen. Okay, remember a bit carefully, right? Broadcasting won't be happen. Are you in the position to understand, right? What will happen internally? Okay, like so. This is if rule 2 fails. Okay, like so. What is the meaning? What is the meaning? In any dimension, the sizes are disagree and neither equal to 1, then we will get the error. Okay, sir. Here in any dimension, okay, rule 2, sir, in any dimension, okay, so the sizes are disagree, the sizes are not matched, the sizes are not matched, and neither equal to 1, and neither equal to 1, then we will get the error. Yeah, even your doubts also by default clarified. Okay, I mean with the examples I will talk. Don't worry at all, sir. Okay, so rule 2 fails, and hence we will get value error, because here have you observed in any dimension the sizes are not matched. Yeah, in the first dimension sizes are not matched, and neither equal to 1. Array, either this one is not 1 or this one is not 1, so neither equal to 1, then we will get error. Clear? Are you feeling comfortable? Just beyond that, nothing, sir. If you understand these rules, then happily we can go for multiple examples. So that, sir, in this case, broadcasting is going to be happen. This is the result. In this case, broadcasting is not going to be happen. That's why. So error we are going to get. Okay, like in this case, broadcasting is not at all required first. Okay, like you can tell. Next, one more point here is okay, the result is always a higher dimension result. Higher dimension. The result is always of higher dimension of input array. Input arrays. Correct line? Input arrays. So if you provide one is the 2D, but the second one is 1D, the result is always which are going to get. Why? If the inputs are 2D 1D, the output is always what? 2D only. Okay, like suppose inputs one is 3D array, second one is 1D array. 1D array. Then output of arithmetic operation, the result is always a 3D array. That is about my point. Yeah, better to be strong theoretically, then applying with the examples will become very easy for you people, right? Don't worry. So understanding this nonsense, understanding this Greek and Latin is very important. Okay, how the elements will be reused. Next, what about that? I will explain. So theoretically, are you feeling comfortable, right? Nothing. So just I told to understand big story, but nothing is there. Just only two things, man. Different dimensions, different sizes are there or not? Yes. So first step one, make both arrays, if two arrays are different dimension, we should make equal dimension, padded once in the shape of favor dimension. It's a very easy, right? It's a very easy because it's the one dimension. That's why you add the one to the left hand side, automatically it will become 2 dimension. Okay, well, now so both arrays of same dimensions, right? Okay, in this case 2 dimensions. Rule 2, sir. Rule 2. So here the sizes must be in every dimension, the size must be matched. Then only we can perform arithmetic operation, right? Because element by element operation, sizes must be matched. Because we require to perform element by element operation, sizes must be matched. If in any dimension, if the size 1 is there, then automatically that 1 will be increased to other size. Okay, like so if the size of 2 arrays does not match in any dimension, then the array with the size equal to 1 in that dimension is expanded to match other size of the same dimension. Okay, like in any dimension the sizes are not matched and neither equal to 1, then we will get the error. That's all. Clear? Don't worry much about this. We will discuss these things, right? Okay, next. Yeah, that's it. These are the rules for okay broadcasting. Can I go for a small chota example so that you may get much clarity? Please confirm. Can I go for a small example so that you will get much clarity about this? Okay, now what is that example is? Just take very special care. Yeah, we will take example one. Example 1, sir. Okay, so always recommended to have diagrams so that we can get very easily. Okay, like so now my first example, you can take any example, right? No problem, right? Now my requirement is a is equal to A is equal to np dot array of np dot array of okay 10 comma 20 comma 30 comma 40 I'm taking, sir. A is equal to np dot array of 10 20 30 40. Okay, like next I'm taking an array B is equal to np dot array comma 2 comma 3 I'm trying to take 1 comma 2 comma 3 I'm trying to take. Now broadcasting is required or not in this case? Please confirm. In this case, broadcasting is required or not? Yes, required, because different sizes, but the dimensions are same. But the dimensions are same. Both are one-dimensional arrays only. So both are one-dimensional arrays only, but dimensions are different. Like in this case, what we are going to get is rule 1 satisfied. Rule 1 satisfied. Okay, like but rule 2 here. Just observe that rule 2 not satisfied. What is the reason for that? Is okay. Sir, here A shape, sir, what is that? 4 comma B shape, okay, 3 comma 3 comma. Have you observed, right? 3 comma. So here just have a look. In any dimension, the sizes are not matched and the neither equal to 1, then we will get error. Correct? In any dimension, sizes are not matched, neither equal to 1, then we will get error. Sir, here sizes are not matched, neither equal to 1. If you perform any arithmetic operation between these two arrays, we will get an error, sir. What is the reason for that? Is what maybe the reason for that is broadcasting also not going to be performed because second rule fails. Any doubt? Can you please confirm? I respond. Any doubt about this? Okay. Well, sir, can you please show, sir? Can you please explain? Can you please execute this one? Like you may ask. Yeah, just observe that. Okay. Yeah, just observe carefully. Now import numpy as np. Import numpy as np. Okay, like now my question is, let me take like this. Okay, perfect A and B, A dot shape, B dot shape. Okay, like both are same dimension. That's why rule number 1, rule one A plus B, immediately error by default you are going to get, sir. Okay, if you want just observe this, what error by default you are going to get. Here observe that, yes, A plus B value error, operands could not be broadcasted together. Operands could not be broadcasted together with the shapes 4, 3. Are you feeling comfortable? Yes. Okay. Suppose, yeah. So just this is the value error we are going to get. What the reason already I told. Let me take one more example, sir. One more example I'm trying to take. Now observe very carefully about this. Suppose my array is A is okay, one-dimensional array. B is also one-dimensional array only, but this one contain here I'm trying to take. Here I'm trying to take. Sorry, here 30, but this one contain 40 is there, sir. Yeah. Now observe. In this case, so broadcasting is going to be happen or not? Okay. Broadcasting is going to be happen or not? Yes. Now you should be in the position to tell the result. How it is going to be happen. Now observe carefully, right? Okay. What will happen is, so rule one satisfied already. Satisfied because both arrays are of same dimension, okay, like so rule 2 is going to be applied. So before applying rule 2, A shape is A is which shape, sir? 4 comma 3, sorry 4 3 comma and a shape 3 and B's shape is 1 comma, okay, like correct, right? A's shape. So like now after applying rule 2, sir, after applying rule 2, A's shape is the 3 and B's shape also will become 3 only. Clear, right? 3 only. Then automatically, sir, now so 3 means same element will be reused. Now A will become A is of now so A, sir, now here just now what will happen is A is a 10 20 30, B is also 40 40 is going to be happen. Now A plus B means what will happen, you know, right? Yeah, can you please tell what is the result by default you are going to get? Not required to keep any explanation. Feeling comfortable? Yes, 10 plus 40, 20 plus 40, 30 plus 40. Yes, immediately 50, 60, 70 like we are going to get the output. Yeah, let me cross check, sir. Is this case, is it going to be happen or not? Is it going to be happen or not? Yeah, now have a look once. Yes, we took A dot shape, B dot shape, A dot shape, B dot shape. Sir, both are different shapes. I mean, both are different sizes are there. Okay. Babita, what there inside? Nothing. Just maybe you are missing somewhere. Okay. Like, sir, here very simple. Where you are getting the problem? Yeah. Babita, can you please tell? Okay, well, sir, now observe here actually B array contain only 40. Rule 2, we covered rule 2, right? What is the rule 2? Rule 2 is sir, here just the array with the size equal to 1 in that dimension is expanded to match other size in the same dimension. Okay, like so here only one dimension is there. Okay, only one dimension is there. So for the first in the one dimension 3 size is there, but here one size is there. This one size will be increased to 3 size. Okay, increased to 3 size, but how the elements, right? Same existing element will be reused. Getting, Babita? Clear, right? Okay, now A plus B will be performed, right? Now A plus B will be performed. What is the problem with that? Okay, just now normal 10 plus 40, 20 plus 40, 30 plus 40 like now A plus B will be performed array of 50, 60, 70 we are getting. Now my question is, even though arrays are different shapes, different sizes, but still we can perform arithmetic addition operation or not? Yes, how sir it is possible? Just NumPy is using internally, which concepts are broadcasting concept. Because of that, it is happening. Feeling comfortable? Okay. Diagrammatic style will be more appropriate if you are not getting. So, I mean, up to this, is it understandable? Next, while explaining 2D or 3D, I will show with respect to the diagram. Don't worry at all. Okay, like, is it okay, right? Example 2. Okay, let me take example 3, sir. Beautiful example. Now listen carefully, right? A is equal to NP dot array of, okay, like, sir, can you please tell what is the dimension of this array? What is the dimension? What is the dimension of this array? Is 10, 20, 30, 40, 30, 40, 50, 60. 50, 60 is there. Okay, like 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. 60 is there, sir. Okay, like now my question is, B is equal to np dot array np dot array of np dot array of 1 comma 2 comma 3 sir, of 1 comma 2 comma 3, or otherwise 10 20 is there, 10 20 is there sir. Okay, like sir, now can you please confirm, is the arithmetic operation is going to be happen or not? Yeah, there is a bigger problems are there. Dimensions are not same and the shapes are not same. Okay, dimensions are not same and the shapes also not same, are not same. Okay, dimensions are not same, shapes are not same. Yeah. Okay, dimensions are not same, shapes are not same, but still broadcasting is going to be happen. Yeah. 1 minute, Arun. Little bit confusing, sir. First it shows error and then how it works after. No, where you are facing this thing. Yeah. Example 1. This is our example. 4 size and the 3 size. Correct, right? Okay. But both are which dimension? Arun, can you please confirm? Arun, both are which dimension? Arun, can you please respond? Both are which dimension? 1 dimension. Rules, can you please remember one? If you are already having the idea related to the rules, then it is very easy. Plus, take a bit special case. Both the arrays should be of the same dimension. If it is not same dimension, okay, add one in the shape of the fewer dimension, okay, on the left hand side, automatically both arrays will be same dimension. Of course, related to example 1, we are not required to worry about that rule because already both arrays are same dimension. Okay, I will go in the next example, different dimensions, what will happen, don't worry at all. Okay, like same dimension. Okay, well, now second rule. Yeah, this rule, if you can understand, nothing will be there. What is the second rule? Please read, please take a bit special care. If the size of two arrays does not match in any dimension, Arun, this is what you have to understand. If you understand this, nothing will be there. The array with the size equal to 1 in that dimension is expanded to, is increased to match, is expanded or increased. Any word you can use. Increased to match other size of the same dimension. Here, have you observed? Here have you observed, right? Before, here just observe 4 3 1 minute. Yeah, here just observe example 1. Yeah, so A is the 4, B is a 3. Yes, can you please observe any doubt up to this? Yeah, please observe any doubt up to this. Arun, array just I printed only shape of A and the shape of B, that's it. Now in any dimension, sizes are not matched. Okay, sizes are not matched, neither equal to 1, then we will get error. Remember, so means if suppose here just this is here only, most of the people are confusing, it seems. Okay, now sir, this is there, sir. Here just observe 1 is there, one is there, sir. Now both are same dimension, but there is a difference in the sizes. Sir, here among these, in one array size is 1 or not? It should be either first one or second one should contain 1. Yeah. If this one contain 1, what will happen? Yes, this lesser size will be increased to bigger size. No problem, right? Now both arrays are 1 dimension, both arrays are same size. Now arithmetic operation is going to be performed. Remember that carefully. Suppose A is, now observe carefully, 2 3 4 is there, 2 3 4 is there. Next, B is equal to, okay, only B is equal to only 4 is there, sir. Only 4 is there. Okay, that's all. 4 comma is there. Now I want to perform arithmetic operation between these two. Is it possible or not? Yeah, please confirm, Arun. Is it possible or not? Yeah. First, we have to make both arrays of same dimension. Okay, same dimension. Rule 1, sir. Rule 1. What will happen is, rule 1, to make the same dimension, add 1. Okay, happen. Okay, first rule I apply. Second rule, sir. If in any dimension, the size, have you observed, right? One mismatch in the sizes, and the one array contain 1. Oh, 1 is there. Can you please increase it to 3? Here 1 is there. Can you please increase it to 2? Yeah, both will become 2 3 4 2 3 4. What is the problem? Now happily arithmetic operation is going to be happen. Arun, so if to apply rule 2, rule 2 compulsory. So compulsory, at least one size should contain 1. If 1 is not there, both are different, but 1 is not there, then broadcasting is not going to be happen. Okay, like yeah, this point also, can you please observe? In any dimension, sizes are not matched and neither equal to 1, then we will get error. Broadcasting is not going to be happen. What is the now? I hope you can understand. Suppose here he is asking 4, sir. This is, so first step, rule 1. Can you please make both arrays of same dimension? Can you please tell, if I want to make both arrays of same dimension, what will happen? So now add 1. Now both arrays will become same dimension. Okay, well, excellent. Now here 2 1 is there. Oh, no problem. Here this one will become 2. Sir. So if 1 is there, then only increasing is possible. If 1 is not there, sorry. Now 3 and 4, now observe that different sizes, but neither is 1. That's why broadcasting fails. Immediately value error we will get for this case. Arun, are you getting the point? The remaining people also. So try to understand clearly. Arun. Okay, good. So what about, yeah, someone is asking, sir, what about this case? Yeah, someone is asking about this one. Can you please confirm? Can you please, you have to tell, sir. So sir, can you please observe that? What about this one? What will happen in this case? Sir, one is the 2 dimension, second one is the 2 dimension, but second one is the 1 dimension. So can you please make both are 2 dimensions, sir? 1, 3. Next, so here it will become 1, 4. Okay, second one will become 1, 4. Rule 1 completed. But rule 2, now we are facing a bigger problem. Rule 2 fails, immediately error we are going to get. Yes, are you getting? 1 1 in the first dimension, sizes are same. Okay, no problem. But in the second dimension, sizes are different. But neither is 1. That's why replacement is not going to be happen. Value error we will get. Still, if you are having the doubt in your mind, can you please let me know, so that I will explain. Yeah. Any other combinations you have, sir? Can you please explain about these combinations, so that we will get like that? So all the people got it clearly? The people who asked the doubts, Arun, the people who asked the doubts, because understanding these, Deepak, Arun, Deepak. Clear, right? Yeah. Okay, well, sir, now let me go for second example, right? Sir, here now with the maturity, you can answer, no problem, right? Rule 1. Okay, rule 1. Sir, before what is the S dimension? Can you please tell? S shape. What is the S shape? Before, S shape is 3 rows, 2 columns. Can you please confirm? First row, second row, third row. 3 rows, 2 columns. Next, under B's shape. B's shape. What is the B's shape? B's shape is sir only one dimensional array, size 2. Okay. So after applying rule 1, sir, so I have to make both the dimensions. As 2 dimension. That's why here 3 2 and here 1 comma 2 will be there. Any doubt? Ritik, observe carefully. Any doubt? We have to add once on the left hand side. Okay, Ritik, we have to add once on the left hand side. Now rule 2. Okay, sir, before this one is there. Okay, rule 2 before is this one. Okay, rule 2 before applying rule 2, A's shape is 3 2 and B shape is 1 2. So in any dimension, if the sizes are different, can you please confirm? In any dimension, sizes are different. Yes, the sizes are different. First dimension, sizes are different. So, but at least one is contained, one or not? One. Then what will happen is, anyone can you please tell? This is 3 2. Here also this one will be increased to 3 2. Yeah. So this is expanded. One is expanded to 3 2. Now, so now my question is, how 3 2 will be happen? Already two size array is already there, right? Okay, now your arrays will become A array, no change at all. B array 3 2, I require 3 2 same elements can be reused, I told, right? Okay, second row and then third row is going to be happen. Do you know? So 10 plus 10. Okay, like so now 10 20 30 40 50 60. Okay, like now let me convert into diagrammatic style so that you people will get much clarity, right? Okay, nothing. I don't think you are going to get some difficulty to understand. Okay, now here this is my 2 arrays. Sorry, these are my 2 arrays. First array 3 by 2. Now can you please confirm 3 by 2? Okay, like sir, now 3 rows and 2 columns are there. Okay, what is the output by default we are going to get in this? I mean, what is the content, sir? Can you please confirm? 10 10 20 10 20 20. Next second one 30 40 30 40 30 30 40. Next the third one, okay, 50 60 is there. 50 60 is there, sir. This is A. Assume that itself is A. Okay, like sir, now B will become what? Sir, B, sir, contain only 10 20. 10 20 will be adjusted to. Okay, like now same thing. Sorry, here same thing is going to be happen. Okay, like yeah. Now, sorry. Can you please confirm what is the so 10 20 10 20 10 20 10, okay, 20 10 20, okay, 10 20 10 20 10 20, something like here also 10 20 20 20. Yes, what is the output by default you are going to get if I perform arithmetic operation plus? So anyone can you please tell, sir? This 10 plus 10 20 plus 20, element by element addition is going to be happen. Okay, element by element addition is going to be happen. Then what is the output by default you are going to get? You know, let me cross check. Is it going to be happen or not? 1 minute. A is, sorry, 1 minute. A, yeah, here shape, all these things are not required. Okay, now A is a 2-dimensional array, B the 1-dimensional array. A plus B happily is going to be happen. 20 40 40 60 60 80. Is it our expected answer? Please confirm. 10 plus 10, 20, 20 plus 20, 40, 30 plus 10, 40, 60, sir, 60 and then 80, correct? So in this case, broadcasting is happened or not? Friends, are you feeling comfortable? Not required to keep any explanation internally what thing is happening in the case of broadcasting. Okay, even if you want, you can take a 3-dimensional array, 3-dimensional array, okay, 4-dimensional array, like you can take. So take a bit very special care. Okay, that's all. Now, can I go for one more example? Respond. Can I go for one more example? Example 4. Very interesting, sir. Very interesting. What you have to take is, sir, now I have one array is there. I have one array is there. A is equal to np dot array of 2 dimension. Of 2 dimension. Two dimension, right? Sir, here 2 dimension contain. Okay, like how many rows are there? 3 rows are there. Sir, 10, 20, and then 30. 3 rows are available. 3 rows. But every row contain only one column. 3 by 1. 3 by 1. Second one, sir, B array I'm taking. B array B I'm trying to take. This is the one dimension array. 10, 20, 30 is there. Okay. Now observe, is it possible to perform operation or not? One is a 2D array, but second one is 1D array. Is it possible to perform arithmetic operation between these two things or not? Yes. Can you please confirm? Yes, no. Think a bit carefully and then tell the answer. Don't tell no, don't tell yes. Hard there, man. Okay. Like, what is the dimension of first array? Please confirm what is the dimension of first array? 2D array. What is the dimension of second array? What is the dimension of second array? 1D array. 1D array. Okay. Like 2D array, 1D array, like no issue at all. Now let me convert into diagrammatic style. You may get clarity. First array contain 3 elements, 3 rows, but only one column. Yes, possible. Don't get confused. Okay, don't get confused. 10, 20, 30. 10, 20, 20, 30. 30. 10, 20, 30. Okay, well. But second one contain only one row. Only one row. It is a one-dimensional array. One-dimensional array. Okay. So this is again 10, 20, 30 only I'm taking. Yeah, no problem. You can take same values or different values. No issue at all. 10, 20, 30 I'm taking, sir. Very dangerous combination. Please observe that. So if I perform A plus B between these two things, is it going to be happened or not? What is the result of this array? What is the result of dimension? And what is the result of shape? Please respond. Yes, friends. What is the result of shape and what is the result of dimension? Sir, simply it is error, sir. How you can do that? Okay, like anyone having that doubt? Yeah. If you can tell, sir, this is the answer we are going to get. Don't try to execute and just analyze and then tell. Analyze and then tell. Don't try to execute. Execute matter of 1 second. I don't want to worry. I don't want to execute this one. If I do A plus B, acceptable. In the result, how many rows will be there? How many columns will be there? If it is the error, no question at all. If it is the error, no question at all. Okay. What will happen is, listen carefully. Listen carefully. Rule 1. Rule 1. Okay. Observe, this may be last example in this scenario. That's why please take a bit more special care. If you are having any doubts, please ask. Okay. Before. So what is the yes shape? Yes shape. What is the yes shape, sir? 3 by Yes, 3 by 1, two-dimensional array. And what is the beast shape? And what is the beast shape? Beast shape is sir, one-dimensional array, 3 comma, that's all. So this is the rule 1 before. So to make both arrays are 2D, same 2D, what I'm trying to tell, what my NumPy library, what it will do is array shape is already 3 1. To make this one as one-dimensional, two-dimensional array, you add pad 1 to the left hand side, padding 1 to the left hand side. Now, so first one will become 3 1, second one will become 1 3. Yes, rule 1 satisfied. Any doubt? Any doubt about this? Rule 2, sir. Rule 2 I'm taking. Rule 2, before applying, so this is my thing. Before, this is the thing. A's shape is 3 1, B's shape is 1 3. Now, after, what will happen? If the sizes are different in any dimension, and if the size is 1 in one array, that one will be increased to other size. Okay, like now, sir, here 3 here, but 1 here. Now this 1 will become 3. Next here 1, but here 3. Now this 1 will become 3. Are you feeling comfortable? Yes, friends, here just observe, sorry. Just observe that 3 1 1 3 is there. Okay, these are. So in the first dimension, so sizes are different, and here 1 is there, this one will become 3. In the second dimension, 1 3 different, but here 1 is there, this one will become 3. Now both arrays are what type? 3 by 3. Okay, if both are 3 by 3, addition is going to be happen. Now my first bigger question is, how this A will become 3 by 3 array? How you B become 3 by 3 array? Okay, like yeah. Now observe this a bit carefully. 3 by 3. I told right. Same elements will be reused. Correct. Same elements will be reused. Correct, right? Okay. Now what will happen here is yes, this is the extra thing is going to be created. This is the extra thing will be created. Now same elements will be reused. Now automatically what will happen? 10 10 same elements will be reused, right? 20 20. Okay, something like that. 20 20. Next here 30 30 is going to be happen. 30 30 will be happen. Okay, like that. Next second one also 3 by 3. Second one is the 3 by 3. Okay, again here these arrays will be added. Okay, like now this is the row. Yeah, observe that this row will be created. Next yes, like now the elements will be same element. 10 okay, like next 20 20. Next 20 20. Because of broadcasting, the elements will be considered in this style 30 30. Yeah, can you please observe that? Can you please have a look once? Now arithmetic operation is going to be performed. A plus b, a plus b is going to be happen, sir. Yes, please confirm what is the output we are going to get, sir. Okay, not required to keep much explanation about this one, sir. If I can take a plus b, what will happen? Yeah, please confirm. The first one 10 plus 20 20, 10 plus 30. Next what is the next one, sir? 10 plus 30 40. Okay, like that. Next 20 plus 10 30. Next 20 plus 20 40 40. Next 20 plus 30 50 50. Okay, like that. Next 30 plus 10 30 plus 10 40 40. 30 plus 20 50 50. 30 plus 30 60. This is the output we have to get. Yeah, array original arrays after broadcasting, how these things are going to be happen? What is the result by default we are going to get? Please make sure, sir. Okay, am I going to get this one or not? I don't know. I don't know. Don't. Okay, let me execute this. Yeah, this is my array. A plus B. Yeah, beautiful. Beautiful. Now, 3 by 3 array we are getting. 3 by 3 array we are getting. Are you in the position to understand? So how the broadcasting is going to be happen? Yes, if the arrays are different dimensions, if the arrays are of different shapes, internally NumPy will perform broadcasting. What broadcasting rules are there? Any doubt? Just to talk about this concept, the people are going to get shivering kind of thing. But what there? Nothing. Simple nursery level terminology. Any explanation is required? Now can I expect everyone, sir? We are very strong in the broadcasting. Huh? Yes, now you can give any array. You can give any two arrays of different dimensions, different shapes, different sizes. Now, we are going to get error, or otherwise broadcasting is going to be successful or not. We can tell, like you. I hope you can. Yeah, clear, right? That's all, friends. This is about the broadcasting. In the next video, we will go for next level things. Don't worry at all.